Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to see this is gigabyte.com, and then you can see this is search button. Then you enter your model number, then hit enter. Then click to product, then click on motherboard title, click on support, then select your operating system Windows 10 11. Both installations, guys, driver installations same. You just select which is you using. Audio driver, and this is audio and this is I. Just click to download. After you click downloading, you can see it is downloading start. Then you can see this is Realtek, and just open it. This is exe, so double click to launch. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system for the installation. Now this is installing the audio driver, you can see. So it is right now installing, and it will close automatically. This is install automatic, so do not worry about it how it is close automatic. So it is closed means this is installed.